Morning. It is a bright one too. At least the wind ain't blowing 50,000 miles an hour. But it is cool. I'm gonna put my coveralls on. I'm figuring I'll shed them in just a little bit, but for now, we're gonna easy, son, easy now. First leg's a doozy. Okay. All right. I think my wife dried these on hot. Anyway, we're getting ready. We'll pump some concrete this morning. Actually, we're gonna pump grout. We're gonna pump some of that Canadian, what Canadians call concrete this morning. And this is a little different deal. I think we brought the right piece of equipment for it though, because I think it's gonna make it a lot easier on everybody instead of just being locked down to one spot. We're actually gonna move the pump around. So we've got this block building. It's a horse barn, actually. There's two of them. And we're gonna be filling all these walls. There's some interior walls right there. All the short exterior walls have all been filled, but we're gonna be filling all this. What my plan is to set kind of right here in this corner, and they got some scaffolding in there, and they do have a sky track with a lift, but I plan on just kind of sitting right here, somewhere in here, bumping these, and then we'll be able to move the mud demon around as we go, and only maybe put on, you know, we start off with 50 or 75 feet of hose, but I think eventually we'll work our way to about 25 foot of hose, and we'll just work our way around the building. That's the plan anyway. If it doesn't work great, then we'll stop, throw some hose on, and just set the pump in one spot, and we'll hose everything. But I'm thinking we can move. I'm thinking that. So, but we'll see. We'll feel our way around it. We'll make it go as smooth as possible. But I've had the mud there since we bought the skidster. This fine used skidster from John Deere Yellow House out of Wichita Falls, Texas. You can talk to Jeff Drysdale if you need a nice used piece of equipment or brand new piece of equipment. Jeff can hook you up, and he hooked me up with a low hour 4-year-old machine. And I called him, and he took it on trade that day, he said, and they took it in, checked it all out, changed all the fluids and filters, and patted it on the ass and sent it out the road on me. So, and I've been really happy so far. But I'm gonna check the oil this morning, see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So anyway, all right, I've got to get this thing unloaded, get some supplies out of the truck, and we're going to get started. So anyway, we'll holler at you in a minute. All right, so this is what stuff I've been talking about. This all parts anti-stick concrete repelling agent from Alliance Concrete Pump Part Supply. This is made in Canada. I don't know. I just put in this little pump up sprayer right here. And on tight. Then it's one-handed because I gotta film. There's a little bit of pressure built up. Easy, son. And we'll apply it on the pump. All right, we got our grout here, and it is grout. And we've got a remote on. It's on manual. We're gonna put it in remote. It's in remote. Get our truck driver around here. It's going to be a second. I'll hang on. Oh, I don't know. We're going to prime out. I don't even have the RPMs up on the pump. I'm just trying to get more smooth, soft. Come through here. Just gonna go. We're just gonna be steady. That's the main thing. Smooth and steady today. Or the water. Slowest prime out on record right here. This will be a little different. The main thing is we just don't kink the hose any. That's the main thing. Two-inch would have worked really. Huh? Yeah, so 2-inch would have been better. I just don't have any right now. I may, if this becomes a common thing, I will definitely get some. But for right now, right? I got a little smoky. Mud Demon boom pump would have been ideal for this job also. Matt, hint, hint. Easy, son. Easy. Maybe if they moved it over to that cross piece right there, if they moved it over, it wouldn't be kinking right there.
Okay.
It's gonna be a long day though. I'll tell you, this is honestly probably a best case scenario for these guys and this pump. It's working so smooth. I'm able to speed it up when they want me to speed it up. Right now I'm running about 30%, 50% right now. And like I said, I'm only on standard flow on the skid steer. I'm not using high flow. And they're pretty happy with this flow rate right now. Keeping it trickle out of the truck. We're able to fill these walls. They're 12-foot walls, what they are. So versatile machine. I mean, I'm gonna be able to, what we'll do, end up doing is taking the hose off or so, then we'll just back up and just start filling these walls, and that truck will back up to me. We'll go probably 30 feet at a time and fill them up. Should work great. This is the second truck, and you can see that anti-stick, that stuff's just pulling away from it right now. Pretty good stuff. We're gonna put it to the test day though. It's gonna be an all-day event. But so far, I like what I'm seeing. And if we do get a spot this stays, I've got the concrete cleaner of Alliance. It's at the house, and I'll spray it down real good. We'll give it a pressure washer and make this thing look brand new again. So y'all go to allianceconcretepumps.com or call them and tell them I sent you. Maybe they'll give me a hat or a shirt or something. Who knows? Or a pass to their party at the World of Concrete. Good guys over there. We're getting these interior walls finished. It's taking a little bit of time because it's kind of sketchy in there, but once we get this one filled, we ought to be able to start running this wall down. It should go a lot faster for Fleck. So far, man, they have been really happy with this pump. They said it was a disaster last time. They tried to use a boom pump on a building back over here and said it was a disaster. It took them days to get cleaned up after that mess. This is a night and day difference. The only thing I wish I might have had some 2-inch hose for this. It'd have been a little bit easier to handle, but this 2.5 is still, I mean, they're not having to wrestle it around too bad at all, so it's working out good. About the SkyTrack is it's got a 30, this one here is a 60-36, I think is what it is, where it's got 6,000 pounds on the forks and then 36 foot of reach. So that's what's nice about having that thing, is to help you move the hose around on top of this. These people got the right tools for this job, there's no doubt about it. To Matt, maybe we can mount a mud demon on the back of the SkyTrack and then plumb it up through the extended boom to the platform. That'd be almost like a telehandler or something. truck's empty. We're waiting on a truck. It's been 30 yards, so I'm gonna go ahead and grease this thing. To keep things greased. That's it on the grease. We got it. Tubes out. Have to change tubes. Alright, we're on the 30-yard truck. We just finished this part of the gable on this side. Got moved around from over there, here. We're gonna compress this gable, and then we'll have to pick up, move around, probably, I don't know, probably 40, 50 feet, 40 feet, 50 feet down that side of that wall. And then we'll start working our way down it. So, probably, I'm saying we're just maybe a little over halfway or so. It's taking some time, there's no doubt about that. This is pretty slow going stuff. set up here. I think I'll give them plenty of room to get by. Little unique job for sure. Back up here. Find us some horsepower. About half throttle's all I've been running. Half throttle. We typically go about 80% on these walls. I haven't hit them with 100 and they hadn't screamed for it. So just reversed it because I think we had quite a bit of air in this hose right here. Anyway, I was trying to pull what mud I had back down here to get, I don't want any compressed air in this hose for these guys, so I'll just judging by the amount of air that's popping out of the hopper, I think we got some movement, so I'll go easy on them. I won't hit them real hard. Now I went ahead and moved up to 80%. Agitate a little bit, make sure I've got everything stirred up. I did re-oil everything a while ago. We had a little bit of break. We got off the gable and off that corner, and now we're coming down this wall. This is going a lot faster. I was able to bump the RPMs up and run the remote to 100%. There. This is going a lot better over here. We still got to come back. I don't know if you can see inside of that window. There's some stalls. We still got to hit 2 or 3 of those. But this is definitely going a lot better over here. Alright, we're gonna move again. This might be, I don't know if it's gonna be our last move or not. Concrete company's fixing to cut us off. We're gonna run out of hours, which is no big deal. We still got to come back and do another building. The one we're fixing to see here. I got to drive around the concrete truck. That building in front of us, we can see we got to do that one. So if we run out, when we run out, we run out. We'll come back in a day or two when I can get scheduled. And just want to tear anybody's stuff. And we'll pump that building and whatever we have left on this one. So these guys have got to get up early for a pour, and they're gonna run out of hours and all that fun stuff. So maybe something like that'll work. We're gonna suck a sponge back. We're gonna Scott Sutherland it. It is imperative to clean these ends off because those clamps aren't adjustable. So ends up happening, you get buildup and you go to fight it. A little bit of water in front of the ball. There goes the ball. There goes some more water. All the way back. this will be clean. I'm gonna have to wash my pump off. Okay. I think we're there. I'll run over and use the truck. Okay. That's pretty big.
Yeah.
I'll just run over and do that. Just set it on top of the pump right there for me. Thank you, sir. Yeah, and I'll go wash this out and I'll come back and get this hose.
Okay.
So thank you. All right, let's go wash it out. Can you give these to Angel? Thank you, sir. All right, we gotta go wash out. Trying to get that truck out of here. He's gotta get up. Well, we gotta hit a car wash too. Turn that down. Pop that. Yeah, we're definitely going to test the so far it looks good so far, but we're testing the well, couldn't figure out where I set the remote. But that anti-stick-em stuff, it sure worked good. It's peeling off a bunch of this good stuff.
Done?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you very much. Well, I can tell you all this with certainty. I don't know who makes Napa grease, but ever since I've switched to Napa grease, and I told you all this before, I have had a lot less wear problems. By far, it's the most superior grease that I've ever used. I get just a Napa heavy duty grease. Like I said, I don't know who makes it, but it's dang sure worth it. All right, I'm gonna get this thing chained down and ready to go, and then we'll catch you on the next one. So nothing like getting to know your pump on about a 7-8 hour job. So, which I don't know, wasn't that long. I had to count up, it's 6 anyway. So anyway, all right, the guys loved it though. That's the main thing. They were super happy with the performance and how well it pumped and the versatility of it. They were glad. They thought they were going to lace hose all the way through all this building, do all this stuff. Like, oh no, man, we can do better than that. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. I'm tired. Got to get up early and grab another one tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, lock the hubs in, keep it inside the blocks, and we'll catch you on the next one. See y'all Sunday morning. Talk to you later.